Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a real quick summer hack to make sure your hair is deeply hydrated, shiny and silky and voluminous at the same time. As you know, this summer has really dry heat, and look what it's done to my hair. My hair is naturally very thick, but it also tends to be coarse and it can get very dry, especially in the ends. So today I'm going to just apply the Reshma hair mask. It's a deep conditioning hair mask that's great for your hair, and I'm doing this right now even on dry hair, and I'll show you. All you do is just rip it apart. It's got grapeseed oil, argan oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, collagen, pro vitamin B5, all this goodness in one little packet. And then we infuse it with henna, because what henna does, it's a protein that just binds the keratin in your hair to make it thicker, stronger, and it'll coat each strand. So here you go, just take a little at a time. But my hair is very thick, so I take a lot more than most people will. And I will just take sections and just put it all over, especially the ends, because the ends tend to be the driest. One packet should be more than enough for everyone. I'm gonna just rub it in to make sure I get all of it. And then I will leave it on for about 15-20 minutes. Well, now 15 minutes are over, so I'm gonna go shampoo with Reshma Beauty henna shampoo and Reshma Beauty conditioner after that, and blow dry as normal. So this is the final results. As you can see, I'm channeling the Barbie in me with pink and the curls.